Imagine walking into a classroom where every student feels safe and valued. This is the power of a supportive learning environment. Today, we'll explore three essential components: group formation and collaborative learning, establishing classroom routines, and social skills training. Each part contributes to classroom culture and effective learning. First, let's discuss group formation and collaborative learning. Research shows that learning as a social activity boosts understanding. When students work together, they can learn from one another. This can make lessons more engaging. To form effective groups, begin with purposeful heterogeneity. Mix students with different strengths. This way, everyone can learn from one another. Next, set clear, shared goals for the group. When students know their objectives, they can work better together. Another principle is positive interdependence. Students should feel their success depends on their peers. Assign specific roles or tasks that need collaboration to succeed. Additionally, individual accountability helps keep everyone involved. Ensure there are assessments that recognize personal contributions. Structured interaction is essential. Teach students how to discuss, make decisions, and resolve conflicts. Then, offer guidance and support, allowing groups to become more autonomous over time. Now, let's move to establishing classroom routines. Routines are like the backbone of a structured learning environment. They help students know what to expect, reducing anxiety and decision fatigue. Start with morning procedures. Clear steps for arrival can set a positive tone for the day. Next, think about transition routines. Smooth transitions save valuable time and minimize disruptions. Materials management is vital too. Have clear protocols for distributing and collecting materials. This ensures everyone has what they need. Also, establish group work procedures to enhance collaboration. Question-asking routines can empower students. Teach them appropriate signals for questions and establish norms for participation. Consistent assessment routines help track student progress, while closure activities can reinforce learning. Finally, let's discuss social skills training. These skills are critical for collaboration and conflict resolution. They help students communicate effectively and participate in community life. Focus on core social skills like active listening and clear expression of ideas. Role-play various scenarios to let students practice. This will enhance their comfort in real situations. Create a supportive climate by setting norms that promote respect and kindness. Reinforce positive social behavior through praise and recognition. Invite families to join in reinforcing skills at home. All three components, group work, routines, and social skills, work together. Stable routines set the stage for collaboration. And practicing social skills enhances group interactions. In summary, building supportive learning environments is essential for effective education. Focus on collaborative group formation, well-defined routines, and robust social skills training. Now, take action. Reflect on your classroom practice. Identify areas to enhance collaboration and routines. Utilize the strategies discussed today to foster a more supportive learning environment. Your students will thrive in a culture where they feel safe and empowered. Let's start building that environment together.